Insurance. What is insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receive financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company pulls client risk to make payments more affordable for the insured. Insurance policies are used to hedge against the risk of financial losses, both big and small, that may result from damage to the insured or her property, or from liability for damage or injury caused to a third party. How insurance works? There is a multitude of different types of insurance policies available, and virtually any individuals or business can find an insurance company willing to insure them for a price. The most common type of personal insurance policies are auto health, homeowners, and life. Most individuals in the United States have at least one of these types of insurance, and car insurance is required by law. Key takeaway: insurance is a contract policy in which as insurance indemnifies another against losses from specific contingencies or perils. There are many types of insurance policies: life, health, homeowners, and auto are the most common form of insurance. The core components that make up most insurance policies are the deductible, policy limit, and premium. Business required special types of insurance policies that insure against specific type of risk faced by a particular business. For example, a fast food restaurant needs a policy that covers damage or injury that occurs as a result of cooking with a deep fryer. An auto dealer is not subject to this type of risk but does require coverage for damage or injury that could occur during test drives. Important. In order to select the best policy for you or your family, it is important to pay attention to the three critical components of most insurance policies: the deductible, premium, and policy limit. There is also insurance policies available for very specific needs such as kidnap and ransom care, medical malpractice, and professional liability insurance, as nouns are errors and omission insurance. Insurance policy components: when choosing a policy, it is important to understand how insurance works. A firm understanding of these concepts goes a long way in helping you choose the policy that best suits your needs. For instance, whole life insurance may or may not be the right type of life insurance for you. There are three components of any type of insurance: premium, policy limits, and deductible. They are crucial. Premium: a policy premium is its price, typically expressed as a monthly cost. The premium is determined by the insurer based on your or your business risk profile, which may include credit worthiness. For example, if you own several expensive automobiles and have a history of reckless driving, you will likely pay more for an auto policy than someone with a single mid-range sedan and a perfect driving record. However, different insurers may charge different premiums for similar policies, so finding the price that is right for you requires some legwork. Policy limit: the policy limit is the maximum amount an insurer will pay under a policy for a covered loss. Maximums may be set per period, annual or policy term, per loss or injury, or over the life of the policy, also known as the lifetime maximum. Typically, higher limits carry higher premiums. For a general life insurance policy, the maximum amounts of the insurer will pay is referred to as the face value, which is the amount paid to a beneficiary upon the death of the insured. Deductible: the deductible is a specific amount the policyholder must pay out of pocket before the insurer pays a claim. Deductible serves as deterrents to large volumes of small and insignificant claim. Deductibles can apply per policy or per claim depending on the insurer and the type of policy. Policies with very high deductibles are typically less expensive because the high out-of-pocket expense generally result in fewer small claims. Special consideration with regard to health insurance, people who have chronic health issues or need regular medical attention should look for policies with lower deductibles. Though the annual premium is higher than a comparable policy with a higher deductibles, less expensive access to medical care throughout the year may be worth the trade-off. Put your trading skills to the test with our free stock simulator. Compete with thousands of Investopedia traders and trade your way to the top. Submit trades in a virtual environment before you start risking your own money. Practice trading strategies so that when you are ready to enter the real market, you have had the practice you need. Related terms: watercraft insurance, water damage, legal liability insurance definition, world in insurance definition, how riders, what term life insurance, what is home owners insurance.